Good morning, everybody. Make some noise.
Hello, I'm Scot Holloway, Bartec TPMS CEO, and today we're going to talk a little bit about why Bartec is known as the trusted brand in TPMS service. For more than 20 years, Bartec has been involved in TPMS from the OE assembly plants, wheel and tire builders, to where we are today, a leading supplier of TPMS tools and parts to the automotive aftermarket. Bartec's knowledge in TPMS is what sets us apart. No one understands the sensors and the way they interact with vehicles and tools more than Bartec TPMS. Our range of tools that begin with the Tech 600 Pro, our fully wireless connected tool to the vehicle, our Tech 550 Pro, which is a very similar tool that is wired connection to the car, and then our Tech Right Pro, which is our entry-level wired connection tool. The idea is that all of our tools have been designed and built with the process in mind. Technicians, to be successful in servicing TPMS, need a repeatable, solid, but easy to use process, whether it's for the sensors or doing vehicle relearns. So new for this year, we've introduced two new products. The TDR 100. This tread depth reading device is paired electronically or Bluetooth actually to our Tech 600 Pro. And the way it works is you select your make, model, and year and pair this tool to this tool, and you can actually measure tread depth with this device and have it wirelessly report back to the screen the information that we just recorded. Very useful for pre-inspection, working on a vehicle at the front parking lot where we're trying to determine remaining tread life on a tire. Also new this year is our right sensor version 2. So we're in year 4 of Bartec TPMS sensor known as the right sensor. This year we've introduced a new version or an updated version called the RS2000, and what we've done is we've improved the hardware so that we can increase coverage. Already the right sensor was market leading coverage. What we're trying to do is get that last 4 or 5% coverage, and to do that we had to improve the hardware. So it's totally backwards compatible, works with all of our Bartec tools, and can be seamlessly introduced and rolled out to any of our customers currently using right sensor. Something Bartec has done also as it relates to right sensor, we developed a process called Right Sync. And what Right Sync is there's 2 steps when you're working on a TPMS vehicle. In some cases, if you're using a programmable sensor like Right Sync, there's a programming step. You have to program the sensor in order to work on a particular vehicle. Well, whenever you replace a sensor on a vehicle, you have to relearn or retrain the vehicle with that new part number. What Right Sync does is it takes those 2 separate processes and combines them together into one easy-to-use process. The tool guides the user completely through it, and what it means is that the technician gets done faster, more efficient, but more importantly, they're not making mistakes. It reduces the errors that we've come to learn through programming sensors. Sometimes technicians forget to program them, they program them incorrectly, and this process eliminates making those mistakes altogether. For more than 20 years, Bartec has been a leader in TPMS. That's how we've earned the reputation of being the trusted brand. We are here to make our customers successful. We have a tech support team that's live in our office. We have a field service team that we send into our customers, teach and train and educate on TPMS. No one can match the level of service that Bartec provides. That's why we are known as the trusted brand in TPMS service.